Hello viewers, today we are going to learn MySQL constants. What is constants in database? Constants enforce limits to the data or type of data that can be inserted, updated, deleted from a table. The whole purpose of constant is to maintain the data integrity during an update, delete, insert into a table. In this video, we cover not null, unique, default, check as a MySQL constants. This is table student. In this table, you just seen that the ID is missing, the name is missing, the student RAM is below from 18, gender of Ghanshyam is missing. The mobile number of Ram and Anil in the same order, in the same mobile number, and city. If you want to insert city default as a Patna, this is a demo of default constants. अगर बात की जाए तो यहाँ पर आईडी में सबसे पहले आईडी मस्ट बी यूनिक होना चाहिए और नॉट नल होना चाहिए। यहाँ पर आईडी मिस होने के कारण प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है। नेम जो नॉट नल होना चाहिए, नेम मस्ट बी मेंटेन। और अगर आप चेक लगाना चाहते हैं कि एज जो है वो 18 से बिलो ना हो, जेंडर में भी नॉट नल करना चाहते हैं और मोबाइल नंबर यूनिक रखना चाहते हैं, और अगर सिटी का नेम इंसर्ट नहीं हो तो डिफॉल्ट में पटना इंसर्ट हो जाए। तो इसके लिए चलिए अब हम सब कोड करते हैं। I am using exam server to demonstrate constant. Now just connecting the MySQL server, MySQL minus u root minus p. Oh, I am already in school database. That's why. Just type create table student id int not null, and it is unique. Okay, name, data type varchar up to 30 character, and not null. Okay, age must be in data type int not null, and check age is greater than and equal to 18, comma, gender, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, varchar up to 10 character, not null. Phone number, that is mobile number, varchar up to 10 character, not null, and it must be unique. Unique ct varchar 15 character up to, not null, and default value is Patna. Okay. Once again, I am getting try. Create table student. Okay. ID int not null unique. Okay. Name must be varchar up to 30 characters and not null. Okay. Age must be in integer format and not null, and check the age is greater than and equal to 18. Gender is varchar up to 1 character and not null. Phone number, that is mobile number, varchar up to 10 character, not null, and it must be in unique format. Now ct varchar up to 15 character, not null, and default value must be Patna. Okay. Now it's executed. All the constant displayed in a single query, that is create table student. ID must be in integer and not null, and it's been unique. Name varchar, sorry, it's converted into 330. Just type 30 only, not null. Age integer, not null, check that age must be greater than 18. Now describe this table. describe table student, describe student. You just find out that is id no null, key primary, default null value, that is no any default value in city, that is Patna. Mobile number must be unique and there is no null in any column. Now we insert the data. For example, insert into student id 1, name Ram, age 18 or 19, gender must be a single character, that is male, comma city, gender after mobile number, sorry, mobile number 98350 comma city, I just forget, I just leave to insert mobile city name. Now enter. I think some error. Insert into student values 1 comma Ram, age 19, gender male, comma mobile number 98350 and just close it. Could not match count at row 1. Why could error due to not matching the column corresponding to values? That's why. Now insert to name Ghanshyam first of all describe student. Now insert into table name student id comma name comma age comma gender comma mobile number comma city. Okay, now values 3 comma Atul comma age 19 comma, gender, male, comma, mobile number 99340 comma, I just agra, select asterisk from student. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.